Welcome to 2201 Pershing's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom J floor plan offering 1,132 square feet. Entering the home, we notice the entire main living space has bamboo flooring. As we enter the front hallway, immediately to our right, we find the primary suite offering almost 13 by 11 square feet. We have large windows complete with their own curtains. We also have the primary bathroom with subway tile on the shower walls, angled shower curtain rods to provide extra elbow room, as well as one large mirror and one medicine cabinet. This bedroom offers a very large walk-in closet. Going back into the main living space, we find the kitchen. Gray soft stone quartz countertops, stainless steel full-size appliances, and plenty of cabinets for storage. This unit also offers its very own pantry. The living room is 12 by 18 square feet with plenty of natural light and its own shades. This room also has a patio accessed by the door. Coming back into the living room, we have our secondary bedroom. This bedroom is almost 12 by 13 square feet with a floor to ceiling window, also with its own shades. You have plenty of room in here for a king or queen size bed. Coming down the hallway, you have not one, but 2 closets for plenty of storage. At the end of this hallway, you'll find the secondary bathroom, outfitted much like the first with the white subway tiles, angled shower curtain rod, as well as one large mirror and one medicine cabinet. This bathroom also has a second door that takes you back to the main entrance with laundry and a front hall closet for more storage. Thank you for touring the 2-bed, 2-bath J floor plan.